We'll guide you through how to overlay photos in Instagram story. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Instagram users want to enhance their stories using frames and layered photos, but are unsure how to use these features. Beginners especially need clear guidance. It helps them create more creative, visually appealing content, improve confidence, understand editing tools better, and make their story stand out more to attract viewers. First, tap the Instagram app to open your Instagram account. Type in your email and password to log into your account. Once you're done, click the login button to move forward. From here, press your profile account to add a story. Next, drag up on the screen and find the photo you wanted to post. Once you've found it, click it to insert the photo into your story. After inserting it, resize the photo to the size you wanted by dragging the corners. After that, look at the side menu and find the sticker button. Press the sticker button to open the sticker options. Then, find the frame sticker from the list of available stickers. Press the frame sticker to add it to your story. After selecting it, choose the photo you want to overlay, and for this example, you can select the same photo as the first one. Once the new photo appears, resize the newly inserted one so it fits properly within the frame. Make sure both images are arranged clearly and look balanced on the screen. Before posting, take a moment to recheck everything you have done so far, including the size, placement, and overall appearance of the images. If anything looks incorrect, adjust it before continuing. Once you are satisfied with your final result, you may click the Your Story button to post the story. Wait for the upload to complete, and then your story will be visible to your followers. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident in creating visually appealing Instagram stories. Over time, you can explore more stickers and editing tools to improve your creativity and make your stories more engaging for viewers. This process is simple and effective for sharing creative content using layered images on Instagram stories every day for your audience to enjoy and engage with.